Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to Nails by LJOLUSEsi. So in today's video we are going to open box or window number 22. I'm feeling so sad because I know after I open this I only have 2 left, but it's got to be done. So ooh, this is silver. Mrs. Claus. Didn't even read the name, I was just looking at the glitter. Mrs. Claus seasonal mix. Bloody there's them bloody snowflakes again. Okay, I'm seeing some red circles. There's some silver hexagons, also some iridescent hexagons, and blasted snowflakes. I need to move. I find them very annoying because they don't lay flat on a swatch stick. Do you know what I mean? So just get a swatch stick. Just faffing, you know, as I do. There's no need for it. I like that. It's pretty. And then there's the snowflake. But I'm not going to put him on. But that's pretty. We like that one. Right, that is it for today's video. I made a right mess. Here we go. Yes, so that is it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. I know these advent calendars are getting a bit, not boring, but there's too many of them. And it seems that everybody's doing the same ones. That makes me sound like a right bitch, doesn't it? But I promise I'm not. I'm just, I don't know. Take it as you will. Anyway, I'm off. Thank you again for watching, and you'll see me tomorrow. Bye bye.